With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Let's start the question. The question is, three particles A, B, and C of equal mass move with equal speed v along the medians of an equilateral triangle as shown in the figure. They collide at the centroid G of the triangle. After the collision, A comes to rest, B retraces its path with the speed v. What is the velocity of C? So, first of all, write down the given data. So, VA equal to VB equal to VC equal to what? V. It is given. And these are the initial velocity and final velocity is given VA dash. This is the final velocity of particle A. This is given 0. And the particle B retraces its own path. That means VB dash will be what? Minus V. And we have to find the velocity of C. So, there is a symmetry. So, we will apply the conservation of momentum. And in the question it is given the initial momentum EI is equal to what? 0. And there is no external force. So, the final momentum PF will be what? 0. Now, the final velocity of particle A is 0. So, the final momentum of particle A equal to what? 0. And B retraces its path. So, final momentum of particle B is equal to what? M into V. And here, it retraces its path. That means the particle B will move in this direction. And to conserve the momentum, the particle C will move in this directions. With what velocity? With the same velocity V. That means the final velocity of particle C is what? V. This is answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.